What's up, Rebel Gang? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be a review video, but I'm also going to show you guys how I style my super short, basically bald head. Before we get started with this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified when my next video posts. But anyways, let's get into it. So I ran out of gel and I needed to buy some more gel. I stick with STYLER gel even though people have canceled it, but y'all know y'all edges ain't gonna last without this STYLER gel. So I went into the hair store, and normally what I've been using since I've been natural, I think I've been natural since 2012. I have been using this STYLER, this one, the olive oil STYLER gel. I have also tried the argan oil, and I use this one on my edges. I don't know why I switch, one for my hair, one for like my edges, but I use the black castor oil and flaxseed oil STYLER gel for my edges. Now I was headed into the hair store to get another one of these when I came across this. I've seen people use this in videos before, but I never watched their videos all the way through to see how they liked it because I wanted to try it for myself, and I didn't want my opinion to be altered by somebody else's opinion of it. So I wanted to try it for myself. What I didn't know was that it was much more expensive than the other STYLER gels this size. The other ones this size are between $5 and $7. This one right here better be worth it because I got to the register and it rang up as $14.25. So basically round that off to $15. This is a $15 STYLER gel. I don't know if it's because the color is gold, I don't know. It's for all hair types, and it says that it shines, holds, moisturizes, nourishes, repairs, promotes hair growth, there's no flake, no tack, and it's anti-itch. So I am going to go through my normal hair routine and we'll see how it works. I'm gonna come back at the end of today after my hair has been through an entire day, and I'm gonna see if it flakes, if it holds like it normally does. I'm gonna use this on my edges as well and see if it works as well as the other STYLER gel. If there is no difference between this gel and the other STYLER gels, then this gel should not be $15. But I'm gonna show you guys my normal hair routine and we're gonna see how this gel works. So after that's done, I'm just gonna let my hair get about 75 to 80% dry, and then I'll come back and do my gel and my edges and we'll see how it works. So my hair has dried some, so now I'm going to go in with my super expensive STYLER gel. It actually smells really good. That's what it looks like. I don't know why I'm having doubts, but I am. take my coiler again. So far, it's already doing better than the olive oil Eco Styler gel. I can say that. It has given my curls a lot more definition than the other gel, the other Eco Styler gel. So, go ahead and do my little instead of getting a part cut in my head, I decided to just create my own part. Yes, I'm using the same Eco Styler gel, and yes, I'm using a toothbrush. Sometimes I do a part on both sides of my head, sometimes I just do it on one. I think I'm gonna do both sides today. So that's it. That's how I do my hair, my edges. I like this Eco Styler gel so far, but we're gonna see how it works out for the rest of the day. If there's any flaking or anything, I'm gonna try not to touch my hair, because I know touching your hair will cause your gel to start flaking up if you start moving your hair around. But I'm gonna try not to touch my hair. This is it. I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and we'll see how it works out. I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, so I am back. I've basically gone through my entire day. I'm probably not gonna do much of anything else today. My hair, you guys, it's so soft. Usually Eco Styler gel, look, this one makes my hair so flaky. I only use it on my edges, and I don't use a lot because it makes my edges flaky and white, and I don't like that. This one just makes my hair hard, as does the blue one, the pink one, the clear one, the argan oil. Like, all of them just makes my hair hard. This one, this gold Eco Styler gel, this is a 10 for me. It smells good. It holds on my hair for a very long time. I still have some definition to my curls. It looks the same way it did this morning when I did it. And my hair is not hard. My hair is not hard, like it's not crunchy or anything. My hair has not flaked up today. My edges aren't white, but they're still pretty much laid. This gel, it's a 10. It is a 10 completely, 100%. It is a 10. I love it. I'm glad I bought it. It was definitely worth the money, but they need to make smaller versions because now when I fly somewhere, I'm gonna have to put it in a little container because ain't nobody got time to be paying to check a bag. So this needs to be in my carry-on and this cannot go. But this is a 10 for me. I really love this gel. If you guys are still hesitant about getting this, I think you should get it. For those of you who have canceled Eco Styler gel, I'm sorry, that's a good one. Y'all can go ahead and cancel it. My edges aren't gonna last without my Eco Styler gel. And some of y'all probably don't need to cancel it because you probably need it. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review slash kind of a tutorial on how I do my hair. That is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!